Hello there, this is Coach Gregor. Today I'm here to discuss Inbox Zero. You know, if you open your email client and you've got 20,000 emails going back 7 years, all unopened, most of it spam, you know that thing? If you'd like, we can get rid of it completely. And I don't mean deleting your Gmail account. I mean, you can put a system in place in a few minutes and invest 10 minutes a day of gardening and weeding your emails. Those things are gone forever as problems. And who would want to do that? Someone who values living a life aligned with their values. Wait, what? Yeah. So do you value peace of mind? Do you value feeling good? Do you value being of service? Excellent service? You know, like being on top of all your communications? I do. So those are things I highly value. Because of that, I'm motivated to implement a system and always look for ways to improve this system so that I appear to the outside world like a great communicator. And when I close my computer every day, I have an empty inbox. So I'm going to spend a few minutes here and share with you how to set that up. So what could this look like in terms of thoughts and feelings? You could be thinking, am I missing any important conversations? Am I not following up on any important conversations? Am I missing any important emails? That's how you know you've got work to do. That's what it could sound like in your brain compartment. So how do we get there? We're going to set up just a couple habits. And I'm going to be using Gmail today, which uses what they call filters. It's a rule, essentially. And then a smart file management system, and they use what they call labels. In the physical world, that would be, manila folders in a filing cabinet, just like your folder system on your CPU. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by opening in my email client and sending myself a message, and then I'll show you how I'm going to set up a filter for it, and then I'll send in another message, and let's see if the filter works and see if you can begin to see the advantage of setting up these filters. And I'll set up a folder as well. I'm going to raise the idea of priority, that in an ideal world, what if you're spending 10 or 15 minutes a day on communications? Not an hour, not 3 hours, not 6 hours, but you're filtering out all the noise and prioritizing, what do I have to deal with today? What should I look at within a week? And what can I look at within a month and I'll be good? And the rest, maybe you're deleting it. And there's no right or wrong, good or bad way to set the system up. I've been tweaking mine for only 25 years. And I'm always improving it, and it feels good every time I improve it. So that's the opportunity before you today. And I'm going to close this part 1 down and open up part 2, and we'll get to work. See you in the next video.